Hey guys, what's up? Matt McQuinn here. Today we are going to be checking out the Lusha Chrome Extension. We're going to be checking out how to use that on LinkedIn and how to get data from any website that you're browsing. So stay tuned. We're going to switch over to the computer. We're going to dive in and we're going to go over all the features of Lusha that you need to know about to get started. Jumping right in with the Lusha Chrome extension for LinkedIn, I've ran a search for plumbers in Allentown, Pennsylvania. This is kind of a control study that I've always done. If you look at other videos in our channel, we have plenty of tests of companies where we've gone and looked for plumbing businesses in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and how they all stack up against each other. But for this example, we've gone to LinkedIn, we've searched for plumbing in Allentown, Pennsylvania with owner in the title field. Now, if we want to find contacts for these people that have shown up in this list, we're going to click on the blue Lusha icon on the right-hand side. We'll see right now we have Teddy Mendez, so that's one potential lead for us. So we've checked this box. Let's come down and go to the next page. Now we're going to find more leads on LinkedIn using Lusha right now. And we're on the professional tier here, so this gives you 40 credits per month. So we have two more potential leads here. There's a couple more pages. So what we would do is we'd go through and we would select each of these, and then we would click on show selected. So let's say we liked all of these, right? All three of these contacts. We click show selected and it uses 3 credits. Save to, and then we'll save it to a list. And I've created a list called Allentown, Pennsylvania plumbing test. So we'll save this here and boom, we've got 3 in our CRM now over at Lusha. So this is how it works on LinkedIn. This works for any different kind of search. I mean, you can search for, e-commerce businesses, or you could search for tech businesses. It doesn't matter. Whatever you're looking for, you can find on LinkedIn, and you can find contacts using this Lusha extension. Now, the thing that I will highlight is that if we do a comparison to look at the data that we get back from Lusha, we can't find very many contacts. And I'll show you how it stacks up compared to other tools. So starting with ourselves, we found 21 leads that match the criteria of plumbing business owners in Allentown, Pennsylvania. D7 lead finder found 9. Then Data Axle found 2. Apollo found none. Lusha, when we ran our test last, had no leads that were actually matches for plumbers in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Seamless AI came back with 2. Lead Carrot had 0, and Clean Leads had 2. And I'll provide a link to this spreadsheet in the description if you're interested in taking a look. And there's videos for each of these as well for you guys. So check that out. Now we're going to shift over to look at using Lusha to find leads on random websites that you think would be a potential lead for your business. See, the Lusha tab on the right-hand side has popped up, so we'll click on that if I can get it back here. Perfect. Let's see what we find for leads. So here are different leads in this company information as well, which is fantastic. You can look at a list of all their employees, scroll through this, and you can cherry pick leads. Let's take another example. If we go to Lululemon, and we'll wait for this to load, and then we'll pull up the Lusha extension again on the right-hand side, and we have another list of employees and more company information. So as you're browsing the web, if you're manually researching for leads, Lusha is a great tool. It does work very well for browsing websites and finding these contacts. If you're using Lusha to try and source a list and you need fresh data, it doesn't work very well on that front. So you can use a platform like Coldlytics to go out and actually source a list of companies rather than leave that work on yourself. We actually do the work over at Coldlytics of finding those potential companies that are a match for your ideal customer profile. So this has been a review of how the Lusha Chrome extension works. I think it's a great tool. It's a great platform. It works very well, very easily. It just has a couple of quirks that need to be worked out, in my opinion. Thanks for watching and have a great day.